Time is 7:34, 30 minutes, 8:04. So now we are in Matthew chapter 5 still. But we finished the Beatitudes. How long are we in Beatitudes, right?
2 months.
Like months.
2 months.
You know that the Sermon on the Mount is only took 15 minutes. It was the scholar was saying. But the content is really like meaty. You need to like really discuss it one by one. So we're done with the Beatitudes now. We are in the next topic, salt and light. Matthew chapter 5 verse 14. Right? But before that,
13.
let's
Let's read. What? 13 what?
we already 13 to 16.
13, yeah. 13.
Okay, let's review Beatitudes. Come on, this is important. When you say Beatitudes, it's the hardest part.
No cheating. Put it away. That's cheating. No. That's cheating.
So yeah, guess, first one.
Holy Spirit.
Holy Spirit. Say yes. Second one. Blessed the Holy Spirit,
Hold on,
for
hold on.
theirs is the
What is
kingdom
it?
of
No.
heaven.
No, they're cheating pa. Lord. I was gonna say sorrowful.
Okay. Blessed are
Lord.
Blessed are those who mourn, for they will be
What
comforted.
else?
Number 3, Ma.
Oh,
Blessed are the meek.
Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. So these are the gentle people. Okay? These are the gentle people. Number 4, Surya.
Wait. It's always number 4 that I don't remember.
There are 9.
Huh?
Like you.
Ma.
Blessed are the
Oh no. First are those who. Right?
Thank you.
Yeah.
At the same
Hey. Nom.
5, 4, 3.
Oh.
Two.
Oh. Hungry.
Blessed are those who are hungry
Oh my
and thirst for doing right, for doing good. Those are like always aiming to do good are blessed, so they will be filled. Number 5, say yes.
Merciful.
Huh?
Merciful.
Blessed are the merciful, for
Wait, no.
there be
I want
shown
the next
mercy.
one. I want the next one. Pure in heart.
Number 6.
Pure in heart. Pure in heart.
Blessed are the
Pure
pure in
in heart.
heart, for they will see God. Next, number 7, huh?
Mama.
peacemakers.
Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called the children of God.
This one's a long one.
Blessed are the
Something kingdom. Whatever.
persecute you in my name. Something like that,
Yeah.
right? Because
Yeah,
of
that
righteousness. Because of righteousness. So,
Yeah, it's the kingdom of heaven.
yeah, for there is the kingdom of heaven. So those who are throwing bad words about you or accuse you because of doing good, if you experience that, you are blessed. Number 9, say it.
Persecute you.
Persecute.
Revile you.
Insult you, persecute you, falsely say all kinds of evil against
Because you're Christian.
because you are Christian.
Because of
Okay.
me.
So now we go to Matthew chapter 5 verse 13. What it says?
Come on, go. Wait.
You
let
are
me go
the
there
salt
first.
of the earth,
Wow.
but if
Okay.
salt has lost its taste, how can its saltiness be restored? It is
Okay.
no longer good for anything, but it's thrown out, trampled underfoot.
Now, who can say something about what it says? What it means?
It's long.
Long.
What? Wait.
You are the salt of the earth.
But it is. Oh.
Okay?
So
But-
it loses its taste. It's worthless.
So like in cooking,
Yeah.
you
It,
put
like, it
lots of
adds a
salt.
lot. It adds a lot to a dish.
Okay?
No, but you can replace the salt.
But if there's no salt in your cooking, what's gonna happen?
Bad.
No taste.
No, there's always salt in your cooking.
Huh?
There's not the salty attitude.
But if there's no salt, what is
Okay.
worse? The salt or no salt?
No salt.
Okay?
No,
Worse
no
is
flavor.
no salt. You cannot eat it. Right?
No flavor.
No flavor. So if they have lots of salt and it's not doing the saltiness, it's useless, right?
Right, yeah. Pag wala na
What they are doing for the salt to are now lose the saltiness,
Overuse?
they're putting in the road,
Oh.
right?
Yeah.
Yes.
True. Yeah, true.
So if you're in the road, so everybody's just gonna step on you. What's your use? You're just gonna be stepped on. So that's the logic there,
But
right?
you stop them from slipping.
Yeah, but they're gonna like crush you, like you're nothing. You're useless.
Trampled.
Huh?
Trampled.
Yeah.
Trampled pala, trampled. Trampled.
What's trampled?
Salt is necessary for both physical and spiritual life.
Or like smelling salt or like prank salt.
Huh?
Like, I don't know.
But see, only God could design a chemical made of salt. What is the chemical composition of salt?
NaCl.
NaCl. What is NaCl?
Wait!
What is NaCl?
NH?
Cl.
NaCl.
NaCl.
There's no H.
NaCl.
NaCl.
Research sa Google.
Sodium chloride. Never always calculate.
Sodium.
Where'd that come from? Sodium chloride.
Natural in the ano, sand place.
Sodium is deadly and explosive. Do you believe in that?
Yeah.
Sodium?
It's dangerous.
Yeah?
Mm.
Okay.
Oh wait, I think I know.
The
Never always
symbol is
calculate
Na. Sodium.
Natural in the ano.
This is like what it looks like. The sodium. It's like metal.
Yeah. It's
Right?
like a
It's
periodic table.
earth. It's an earth metal.
Like
Yeah, it's an earth
periodic table.
Yeah.
Wala na, nakalimutan ko na yan.
Sodium is deadly and explosive too.
It's not the same thing.
I think it's dangerous. Just as dangerous.
Okay.
Cl?
Chlorine.
Chlorine.
I just want the chlorine there.
No, those like green stuff. When you inhale it,
It's a deadly gas.
the gas. Huh?
No, it's not.
See,
salt.
These two are dangerous.
Is it?
But
No, it's a liquid.
if you combine them, they are
Salt.
salt. You can eat it, right? But only sodium alone, deadly. Only chlorine alone, deadly. But if you combine them, they are table salt. We always use table salt, especially in the morning. If you fry egg, you need that, right?
Like there's salt in here.
It could be MSG.
Never always calculate loss.
So I think you know pepper.
You got that?
It could even be MSG or something. But people say MSG is more healthier.
Wala.
Mark Rober. Oh my god.
Wala.
You're sign in to confirm you're not a bot.
Ayaw eh. Ayaw na mag-sign eh.
Just research it up.
You're not a bot.
Sign in to confirm you're not a bot. A pound of salt. Salt. Let's do the remix.
No, remix is stuck. Dang it, I lost my page. Dang it.
Block gold. Turning a block into gold.
Dang, that's a lot of salt.
Here. Here's the sample of sodium. What it does, see? Let's see, this one. Ayaw pa rin.
Sign in, Pop.
So you're signing, go.
No, ayaw nga eh. Nag-sign na ako. Hindi ako makapag-sign. This one? Ayaw talaga? Oh, what ayaw?
Just sign in.
Oh, maybe here. Say, dito.
More video.
YouTube, not video.
What happened before math?
Saan wala dito? Ito, sodium water. Here. Look.
That's the same video.
Yan ha, look. Ihagis siya sa water ha, sodium. What's gonna happen?
Explode.
Boom.
That's because it's in contact with water.
Parang ano?
Boom.
Mentos?
Boom.
It's getting closer now.
It's
Because
dangerous.
depending on the chemical and what it interacts with, it's
Mentos
the
tsaka Coke.
reaction.
Saan natapos?
Diba nag-
It does explode like that.
Hindi.